Hi, my name is Matt, Regional Sales Manager for WHILL, and today I'm going to take you through the unboxing of your new WHILL Ci2. As you can see here, the WHILL Ci2 comes in 3 separate boxes with images of each component on the box. And within those boxes will be all the things that you need to assemble your chair, like the seat cushion, battery, charger, and the manual and any other accessories that you ordered with the chair. So it's really plug and play when it comes right out of the box. First, start with unboxing the larger pieces of the chair, beginning with the bottom 2 wheel components. Once you have the 2 wheel components out of the box, remove the basket for easier handling. To begin assembly of the Model Ci2, the first thing you'll need to do is connect the front and rear drive bases together. This can be done by sliding the metal frame at the end of the front drive base to the back wheels like so. You should hear a click when connected successfully. Next, attach the basket with a firm push towards the center. To place the seat onto the now completed base, use the view hole in the center of the seat to line up the post. Once on, pull the lever under the seat down to lock it into place. To affix the seat cushion, use the adhesive strips on the bottom of the seat cushion to position it on your seat. If your arm covers were not already on the chair, click them into place as shown. Before using your Model Ci2, fully charge the battery. To do this, remove the charger port and insert it into the DC connector. The battery can be charged on or off the device, and charging will begin when the charger light flashes green like this. Once the battery is charged, place it into the chair by pushing it directly into the slot in the rear drive base and ensure the brake levers underneath the chair are up before powering on. Now that you've assembled your unit, please check out our other videos for detailed information on configuration, operation, and using the app.